Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk through how to make your Android phone read to you. Here's a step guide to make your Android phone read text aloud to you. First is to unlock your mobile phone and swipe up to open the app drawer. Tap the Settings app. Scroll down to tap System and choose Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap Select to Speak, sometimes found under Screen Readers. Then toggle the Select to Speak switch to On. A prompt will ask for permission. Tap Allow, then got it to confirm. You'll now see a floating accessibility button appear on your screen or by accessing the control panel. Open an app where you want the text read. For example, is Messages, Gmail, Notes, Google Chrome, etc. Tap the floating accessibility button or text aloud in the control panel. Then tap the text or section of the screen you want your phone to read. Your Android will begin reading the text aloud. Use the on-screen controls to pause, resume, or stop the reading. To adjust voice and speed, just go to Settings again, System, Accessibility, Text to Speech Output. Choose your preferred voice, pitch, and reading speed. Then save your settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.